I thought Gladys was looking stunning. I really love that colour. Do leave a comment, say what you think about the boat. Do you think she looks nice? And think about subscribing if you haven't already. And Jamie assures me, and I told him I was going to quote him on this, that Gladys will definitely be finished before, I'll have Gladys definitely before September. And here I am at Lime Street, Liverpool Lime Street station. Very pleased to say that both the trains I've caught so far coming here have been precisely on time. Just a short walk now over towards Liverpool Central Station, and then I'll jump on the Merseyrail service.
We are now approaching Walton.
Right, so here's Walton. That's my train rides over for this morning. Short walk now to Aintree Boats, more or less in that direction. About 10 minutes I suppose. And then we can go and see Gladys. And here I am, arrived at Aintree Boats. I'm actually quite hot now. It was really cold when I left home this morning, but after this brisk walk from Walton Station, I'm very hot. So I'm gonna go in now and have a look at Gladys. Fingers crossed I'll see a lot of progress. Let's go find out. Nice little 25-foot Beetle there. Another boat called Robin up there. I've not seen that one before. Right, so I'm trying to remember what I said at the time. Do my best. I think I was pointing out the black non-slip paint and also the fact that the front doors have been fitted. This is the bedroom area. Nice to see that the windows have been fitted now. I don't think their frames have been completely finished. Next to Gladys is another 40-foot Beetle called Bonnie, and that belongs to Clive. And he's had that finished in a lovely blue, so that looks really nice. Here's the bathroom, so the shower is being fitted there. Toilet will go here. The yellow bin is not a toilet. A hand basin will be cut out there in the corner. And you move into the saloon area. So in this corner is an L-shaped sofa with lots of storage underneath. And this is where the multi-fuel stove will sit. And once they've fitted that, they'll drill through the ceiling and also the outer roof and fit the chimney. Moving into the galley, the hand basin will go here on the left. They'll cut out the shape in the worktop, And on this side is the cooker, the fridge, cupboards, and underneath the window will be a hob with a very nice glass cover. More storage under the rear steps, and also on the left there's the electrical cabinet, some storage in there, and also on this cabinet on the right. Having a look at the back of the boat, so there's the engine compartment, and that's where the propeller shaft will go out. Again, the lovely non-slip black paint. I think it contrasts so well with the red. That's where the controls will go, the throttle, forward, reverse, etc. So if you look at Bonnie, she's got an enclosed stern. Clive wanted his that way. I didn't particularly want that, but Gladys will have the wooden rails. Looking at the roofs of both boats, they've not been completed yet with the non-slip paint. They'll both have non-slip paint on them, which is essential if you're walking on the roof. Going back into the boat then. So with the rear doors, they will fit grills in these spaces, air vents. I'm really loving this red colour. It's very similar to the colour of my car. It really does look gorgeous. And there's the view as you step in from the back. Yeah, so I'm really pleased. It's looking really nice. I'm sure Clive's going to be very happy with the colour of Bonnie as well. Once again, a little look into the bathroom. It's really nice to have a full-size shower. That's going to be really good. So sorry about the flickering effect of these temporary lights on the video, but Gladys will have LEDs in the ceiling, as you can see, and they're going to use very little electricity. Solar panel is going to go here on the roof. There's the front of the boat. Look at those two shiny boats. I think they both look really gorgeous. So the matte black is sort of impregnated with sand to make it very grippy, which is a great idea. The hatch you see on leaning against the boat, that's the engine cover there. Gorgeous colour red, I'm so happy with it. And I believe the Aintree might be painted in that red colour as well. I'm not entirely sure, but I think so. And there's a side view of the boat. I just love the colour. I can't get over that colour. Fantastic. And the bottom of the boat will have another coat of black before it's moved outdoors. And then looking outside, there's a few boats at the back which are waiting to be delivered. Again, a close-up of the engine bay and the very back of the boat. The gas bottles will go under this hatch, colour gas, so that's for the cooker. Look at that shiny finish. Absolutely stunning. And there's a nice view of Bonnie. It's like a mirror finish actually, so I can see I'm going to be polishing this boat when I get her all the time. A couple of still shots. There's the stern of the boat. Very little gap between them, so it's quite difficult to walk between them. Nice side view of Gladys there. And then in the next workshop there are some boats which are sort of a little bit behind Gladys and Bonnie. So they're waiting to be worked on. And outside there are even more. That's nice. Back at Walton Station, waiting for the 1356 Merseyrail service to take me back into Liverpool Central. I'm really pleased with what I found at Aintree Boats. I think Gladys was looking absolutely stunning. Gorgeous colour red. And also the white lining around the edge really sets it off as well. Yeah, beautiful colour. It's pretty much the same colour as my car, which is more by accident than design, but I really love that colour. Also the blue boat, Bonnie, which is Clive. Clive is having Bonnie built. I think he's going to be really pleased because she's looking really gorgeous as well. So I think we both chose well. I had a nice chat with Dave and Mark and Jamie, the guys up there, and Jamie assures me, and I told him I was going to quote him on this, that Gladys will definitely be finished before, I'll have Gladys definitely before September. So I'm going to hold him to that. I'm expecting therefore she'll be ready sometime in the summer, which is great. I'm really looking forward to that. So if you've enjoyed this visit to Aintree Boats as much as I have, because I feel so much more positive now, if you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Do leave a comment, say what you think about the boat. Do you think she looks nice? And think about subscribing if you haven't already. Big thank you to everyone who has, but I do need more subscribers. So if you haven't yet, please do so. It won't cost you anything, and I'd appreciate it a lot. But right now I've got a train to jump on in just a minute or two, and I'll catch you next week with something else. Bye for now.